So this is just a quick update after installing my new turntable. I am extremely happy with the sound. Wow, the needle is not even broken in yet, obviously. If I remember correctly, it takes a good 40 hours of play, the Orthophone Red. Yet I'm extremely happy with the sound and the setup here. I was saving this, my old Roxy Music Avalon album to have a first listen to. This I purchased in 1982, held on to it, and wow, it's magnificent. I'm really, really happy with this turntable, the look, the sound, everything. I plugged in the preamp. I don't have the power cord for it yet, so I'm using it with the laptop. It turns on as I plug the USB in to the laptop. And so yeah, this is my setup here. I'm using the Giotto's Rocket Air Blower for camera lenses. I'm cleaning my stylus with it. I find it does a better job than the stylus brush because there's really no contact with it. Obviously I am not playing the record for copyright reasons here, but very happy with the sound of the setup here. So thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more cool stuff coming your way. Bye for now.